8 benefits of a gas grill. Number 1, you can easily achieve high heat. Most gas grills will top out somewhere easily around the 700-degree range, which is plenty enough heat. But there are also plenty of them out there that easily get into the 1,000 and above 1,000-degree range Fahrenheit. So that's pretty high if you look at that. Number 2, instant ignition. Simply press the ignition button on most grills, or the simple turn of a knob if it's built into the valve itself. And boom, you're lit. Number 3, fast preheat times. Right after you ignite a gas grill, if you close the lid within probably 10 to 12 minutes, 15 max, you're ready to sear at super high temperatures. Also, the grids usually heat up pretty quick as well, offering you great sear marks right off the jump. Number 4, they're stylish. A lot of gas grills nowadays come with highly polished edges, mirror polish on some of them, beautiful bezels around the knobs, and a lot of them also come with LED lights and all sorts of other new age features. Number 5, gas grills are super versatile. Most of them will get in a range from very high searing temperatures all the way down to low and slow, and on top of that, they're able to achieve that very quickly between turning the valve all the way to high and all the way to low. You're not talking about 10-15 minutes in between the temperature change, whereas when you have a Kamado or charcoal or something like that, you're looking at a long time to get to a lower temperature than you're at. Number 6, gas grills are easy to use. Pretty much you just walk up, plug and play kind of situation, turn them on compared to a lot of other methods. They're super simple, they're very controllable, and you're able to produce the same result time and time again. And that's a lot to be said in the cooking environment. Number 7, customizable. Nowadays, between all the different varieties of gas grills there are out there, you can get any number of configurations of burners and sizes, and some infrared and some traditional, all infrared, all traditional. You can do all sorts of things with gas grills nowadays just due to the sheer number of grills on the market. I mean, in a nutshell, you get to customize your grill, the grill for you. And number 8, temperature control. Gas grills are very good at allowing you to crank up to the very high temperatures, crank down to the very low temperatures, and they're also good at diffusing and distributing the amount of heat that you're using throughout your gas grill due to the diffusers that are already built into most grills these days.